Hey guys, I'm Vats. I secured All India Rank 2 in NEET UG 2022 and I'm currently a first year MBBS student at AIIMS Delhi. So there are only a few days left to go before your final NEET exam, and I would say one of the most important things to keep in mind at this moment is that do not change your strategy, whatever you have consolidated over the past 2 years or in the last few months. Attempt all the tests left in the intensive program, especially the pre-NEET test, which will really help you to get a feel of the exam. Like when I went into the exam on the final day, I was really scared. But when I sat down, I opened the paper and I saw the questions and I felt like I had done most of them before. Or if not the exact questions, then something of the type. That really helped me to be confident about how I would attempt the paper, and I got through it pretty well. One more mistake that I often used to make that you should also be careful of is that you need to fill the OMR correctly. All the tests in the intensive program will probably have helped you to consolidate a strategy on that as well. But you just need to make sure that you stay calm on the final day and go through with that strategy that you've built. Another thing that you should keep in mind and do during the final few days is revise all of the errors you've committed. If you've made a booklet of the sort, then revise that, or some questions that you feel that you have gotten wrong in the past. Just go through those briefly and be confident about what you've done. And also finally, I would like to say all the best to everybody who is appearing in NEET 2023.